Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll have a look on what is face value and what is place value of a digit in the number. So let's get started. We all know that basically numbers are formed with 10 digits and those digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We can write numbers either big or small by using these digits. Here 4561, this is the number, and 4561 are called as digits. Okay, each digit in the number has two values. One is face value and the other one is place value. Let us see what is face value and place value with examples. First, face value. The face value of a digit is the digit itself. Here we have some examples. For those examples, we have to find the face value. Okay, let us see how. In the number 352, the line is under 5. So, we have to find the face value of 5. What is the face value? Face value is nothing but the digit itself. So, face value of 5 is 5 itself. In the number 489, what is the face value of 4? 4 itself. In the number 1567, what is the face value of 7? 7 itself. In the number 3696, what is the face value of 3? 3 itself. Okay, in this way we have to find the face value. Now let us move to the place value. The place value of a digit is its position in the number. Let us see with the examples. Here we have to find out the place values of the underlined digits. Here we have the number 352 and the line is there under 5. So we have to find the place value of 5. First, we have to write places on the top of the number. Ones, tens, hundreds. Now we have to find out the place value. Place value means first we have to write the face value. Face value means what is the face value of 5? 5 itself. Into in which place the 5 is? Tens place. So we have to write 10 here. 5 tens are how much? 50. So the place value of 5 is 50. Let us go to the another example. We have to find out the place value of 4. First you write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds. And first you write the face value of 4. What is the face value of 4? 4 itself. Into in which place the 4 is? Hundreds place. So 100. 4 hundreds are 400. So place value of 4 is 400. Let us go to the third number. We have to find out the place value of 7. First you write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. And write the face value of 7. Face value of 7 is 7 itself. Into in which place the 7 is? Ones place. 7 ones are 7. So the place value of 7 is 7. Let us go to the last example. 3696. First we have to write the places on the top of the number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Then write the face value of 3. What is the face value of 3? 3 itself. Into in which place the 3 is? Thousands place. So write the 1000. 3 into 1000. 3000. So the place value of 3 is 3000.